How to create a UML diagram in ClickCharts. Click Templates, select UML Diagrams, and choose a template or blank diagram. Add UML symbols from the Symbol panel. Enter the required information by double-clicking each symbol, and arrange them on the canvas. Connect related elements using the appropriate UML connectors. Then click Save when finished. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create a UML diagram in ClickCharts. Click the Templates button to create a new diagram. From the list of templates, select UML Diagrams. Choose one of the available templates to get started quickly, or select Blank Diagram to build your diagram from scratch. Use the Symbol panel in the left sidebar to add UML elements. Click a UML symbol, such as a class, interface, actor, use case, or other UML element. Then click on the canvas to place it. To place the same symbol multiple times, hold Shift while clicking on the canvas. Double-click a symbol to enter text. For class diagrams, enter the class name, attributes, and operations. For other UML diagram types, enter the appropriate names or descriptions for each element. Arrange the symbols to reflect the structure of your system. Click and drag symbols to reposition them, and use the square handles to resize them as needed. To change a symbol's appearance, select it and click Fill to change its color. Click Line to modify the outline color and line style. To create relationships between UML elements, select a connector from the Symbol panel. Choose the connector that best represents the relationship you want to show, such as association, aggregation, composition, inheritance, or generalization, dependency, or realization. Click where the connector should begin, then click again where it should end. You can also enable Auto Connect New Symbols in the lower right corner of the window to automatically connect newly added symbols to the previously placed symbol. To edit a connector, click the line to select it. Drag the square handles to adjust the connection points or reshape the connector. Click Line to change the connector's color and line style. Click Arrow to change the arrowhead. When your UML diagram is complete, click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.